The pretty printer from Python is the module that pretty prints arbitrary data structures. Say this is the data we have. Printing it prints it like this. This is confusing, but pretty printing it makes it more readable here. We can also pretty print our own classes. This is class color. The REPR method prints out an introduction. Colors is a list of objects of class color. Printing this list prints out 3 introductions, but pretty printing it prints these on 3 different lines. Remember the list data? We can set the depth of pretty printing here to 3. If the depth was 1, it would just know that there are tuples in this list, but not what they hold. If the depth was 2, it would know the tuples have the integers 1, 2 and so, and dictionaries, but not what they hold. This is my list. Pretty printing doesn't make much difference here, but we can set the width to -1. Now it prints the 4 values, 1 value on each line.